If when you're working on a Google Doc, your mouse seems to disappear, consider changing this setting. So I opened up the settings options in the Windows button. Then I'm going to click on search and search for mouse settings. Then I'm going to scroll down to additional mouse settings. You'll get a pop-up and then click on pointers and scroll down. We're going to look for this one that is the text select. If you click on text select and then go to browse, search for beam R, choose the beam_r.cur, click open, and then apply, and you will no longer have issues losing your cursor on a Google Doc. Good luck!